Okay, I'm going to make some fire starters. There's my sawdust and my molds. And you're wondering what those black streaks are. They are duct tape. I don't know, let me see if it works. I think that'll help it start real easy. And there's my wax. And inside my wax, I'm melting a candle. There's the wick out of it. I'm going to stick the wick in there. See what that does to help start it. Get it down low. Okay, that one turned out pretty good, I think. That one had a little spillover. That one spilled out. Let's put it like that. Might not have been such a good idea. Wax goes down around the candle, it sticks in there. If the wax didn't go around, it comes up pretty good. Okay, we're going to light it and see how long it goes. I'm curious to see what this here duct tape is going to do for us. Well, it was right quick, but then it died. Well, that lit pretty easy.